Alrighty.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps. Takeoff flaps. Flaps up. Takeoff flaps. Motor on.
Alright. First flight with the new motors, new props. Hopefully. That's at 70%. Well, I just won't go full throttle. See what happens. Where's the windage? What's up? Oh shit! So just to recap, a while back I just lost the motor, and of course I couldn't find replacement any parts for this thing. So I got these 820 kVs. It's a little bit higher than the other one, but seems to be actually probably right on the money as far as mods. These props for Motion RC, this was in pieces. I can't believe I did a body shop like this. The whole nose came off in the crash, and this was like in 14 pieces, and actually came back together. She's old. I flew the heck out of this thing, so this thing doesn't owe me anything. But let's go send it, see how she does. Okay, the day is here. That's a little bit. Okay, last time I didn't do a pre-flight, and I reversed the ailerons in the radio somehow and crashed it, but it's not.
Takeoff flaps. Landing flaps.
Alright, so I got the new motors on it.
Takeoff flaps.
I had too much prop on it. I found these props that ran the whole half a battery, and you know it draws like 72 amps, so technically those are good. This thing's been through hell. It's not pretty.
Motor on.
And I'm at the home field, and usually I prop strike this, but let's just send it. Screw it. What are they for? Oh shit, I don't know, my tail heavy or something's weird.
Gear down.
Okay, gears up. Oh shit. Oh, she handles okay. This is probably 40% throttle. It's nice and quiet. All right, let's get those flaps set up. I got mode set up, so that's cool. That was the sway node down. I'm mumbling this shit. All right. So those, I like that now. I don't do mix elevator anymore with flaps. Just do 3 modes on the flaps and then just trim it out, because that way you can trim left and right too, and roll and all that. So that's trimmed. And let's do full flap. And that's right on the money.
Takeoff flaps. Flaps up.
Of course I hit the prop.
Gear down.
Where's the wind? Huh? Oh shit. That was a little hot. Damn it. I was all nervous and all, but hey,
Flaps up.
it's over with.
Motor off.
She survived.